Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, March the 25th, 2021. Is it today, 25th? Let me check. Yeah, 25th, 2021. Yes, two puzzles left, a tectonic one and a binary one. First, I will do the binary for you, boys and girls. This one will be number 2529. No, 39. Correction. 39. 30. Sorry. 2530. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then 1, 2, 3. Yes. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Now we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Between two 1's comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Do we need to compare? No. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Wow! 3 minutes. Finish in 3 minutes. Without any comparing in this binary puzzle. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Yes, see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic one. See you then, bye bye.